Welcome back to another AMC Financial Astrology Update. DD on AMC. You absolutely cannot get anywhere else. I'm your host, Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. And today we're going to be going over the AMC moon phase analysis along with the star chart, because you guys know this week we are entering a new moon. So I want to take a look at that. We're going to check out the SPY to try to guess the overall market, and we'll take a peek at Gamestop. So if you like this video and appreciate it, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to see more DD like this in the future, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And if you want to catch my DD over the week, check us out at the Market Moon Lord Discord. Welcome to the Market Moon Lord, where we merge the matrix with the stars. I'm your host, Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. Okay, so first on my screen, we are going to look at the SPY, because the SPY made a very interesting move on Friday. So, as you guys know, we are about to hit the new moon on Tuesday. And that's also good for a reversal. That's good for a different trend or a continuation of the trend. And it looks like we're going to have the continuation of the trend on the SPY. So over here on this full moon, we had a little fake out. And I said, hey, we might consolidate and then fall down to this level is the level I put in. I put in that level. We didn't go there. So we never hit the 359. That's good. But we did hit this level twice, the 362, and then we started bouncing. Okay, so it does look like that is a temporary bottom right now. But what I really like is before this new moon on Friday, not only did we pass this level of resistance at the 378, but we passed the next line of moon phase resistance at the 388 mark, and we're above that coming into the new moon. So this new moon reversal based on the chart does look like it could take us to around this 408 level. I am looking for that. So on Monday, I would probably say we might get like a 2% pop to the $400 level. And then the following day, if we're very lucky, we may get close to that 408. But at the very least, I do think this coming week, we will see the 408 level on the SPY. Let's say we do not get a pop and we get more of a new moon drop. We'll probably stay around this 388 level, and then I would probably say the low would be the 380. But when I look at the indicators, we see that the RSI is pointing up very nicely. We're about to be above neutral. Stochastics also pointing up very healthy. And look what the MACD is doing, is looking to squeeze green. So the timing is right. When I look at the volume, we had nice harmonious volume the last week, buying volume, and then we had a nice little increase on Friday. Okay, so the SPY, the overall market is definitely looking really good for an uptrend, and we just had summer solstice, so we're coming into a whole new cycle based on the seasons, a new cycle based on the new moon. So that is looking very, very good so far. Let's check out AMC. And let's go to GameStop first. Let's go to GameStop. As you guys know, I've been saying AMC and GameStop have been diverging against the SPY, and it has been. And then on Friday, it just took a weird little turn. But I'm still I still like what I'm seeing, but it did take it was like everything was lining up perfectly until Friday. All right. And that was 3 days before the new moon. So I cannot ignore that, because you guys know sometimes we start getting the reversals within 3 days. And so now it looks like the SPY is looking good for a uptrend, while GameStop is starting to look like it's going to go down. Now, it went all the way to the launch pad on my line perfectly up here at the 348 or the 148. And it got rejected. Okay. So we were having an uptrend, and then 3 days before the moon, we had some down pressure. Okay. So we could continue this down pressure. The RSI is pointing down, but the MACD is still way above the indicators, still looking pretty healthy. So I would probably say Monday, we may still get some downside on GameStop, and then hopefully around that new moon, which will be on the 28th, we start getting some upside. But no matter what, I would probably say that we're not going to go under, obviously, this 318 level. I would be very surprised if we go under that, even if we drop. And let's say we do drop, I would probably suspect that we hit this trail line, because we've been respecting this uptrend for a long time. So I would probably say the lowest we might see this week on GameStop could be around the 120 level, okay, on this trail line. And then I would expect us to start bouncing back up if we do start going down, bouncing back up on that trail line. Okay. Now we could see some downside Tuesday and get a hard reversal on Monday. And it just looks like, consolidation could be at play here. Looking for the full moon possibly might be at play because we lost a lot of momentum coming into this new moon. We had the momentum, we just lost it. So maybe we're gonna get some consolidation until we get the full moon. I think is on July 13th. But if we stay around this area, or go over this 148 level, I'll be pretty bullish. I'm not mad at GameStop at all. It could just be a cool off period. But again, the uptrend is there. We're still way above that trend line. We had a lot of good movement this entire phase, okay? And then we just had one day of not that great of a movement. So it could literally just be a cool down. It's kind of too early to tell. But I am kind of expecting nothing too crazy on GameStop coming into the first of the week. Maybe just consolidation and then leading back to retest this 148 resistance level. And if we get past that, I will be pretty optimistic for the 160 level. Okay, let's check out AMC. Okay, so AMC looking a little bit different than GameStop. Okay, on the 3 days before the new moon, look at that buying volume on AMC. Okay, that is very nice. I do like that a lot. The RSI is pointing up. The MACD is starting to is also squeezing the right direction, and we're getting more of the right of green than downside. So yeah, AMC is looking much better than GameStop, and it's looking like it is going to continue up this uptrend coming into this new moon, which is absolutely beautiful. And I would suspect maybe on Tuesday or Monday we get some more upside, maybe hit that $13 level. But the launch pad for a new moon pop is going to be around this $13.48. Okay. After that, I would say we might get something of a strong pop up to this orange line, which would be the $16 mark. But on this phase, I would probably say, to me, based on the momentum on the SPY, the momentum on GameStop, the momentum on AMC, it looks like this full moon could be a nice little pop, but not this new moon. The moon is just going to verify the uptrend, keep us in the uptrend. But I think the big pop could happen around the next full moon. But yeah, the AMC is looking good. AMC is looking good. I like the volume, the buying pressure, and the uptrend. Okay. And again, guys, the eclipse both on AMC and GameStop still looks like it's the bottom. All right, we have the eclipse over here, and we've been on an uptrend since. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking forward to AMC in July. I'm looking forward to AMC in July for some big movements. I do expect us to get back to at least the $16 level in July. That would be my July goal. If not, who knows? We could just get something stupid, but I think the $16 mark, we should get back there based upon the moon phases. So let's check out the stars. What do you guys think so far coming into this new moon? Do you guys think we're going to get a pop? Do you guys think we're going to get some upside on the SPY going forward? Do you guys think the SPY hit the bottom? I already think that AMC and GameStop did hit the bottom on the eclipse, but did we finally find the bottom on the SPY? Or do you guys think we're still going to go down? I have no idea. It's definitely looking interesting. But this new moon is for AMC. We have AMC open, AMC star chart, and we're looking at June 28th. And the new moon is when the moon is with the sun in the sky. You can see it here. They're conjunct. But look at where it's conjunct at. All right, it's conjunct right on top of AMC's moon. Okay, literally within a few degrees. So that is very, very bullish right off the bat, because it's like this new moon is for AMC. This new moon is for the company. The company on the moon represents the masses. It represents the people. It represents the company's customer based. It represents hospitality and astrology when it comes to financial astrology. It represents, bringing people together and nourishing them. It's perfect for the movie theaters. It's perfect for AMC, and it's on AMC's moon sign. And to me, this is a new beginning, a new cycle for sure on AMC. And this is for actually very beautiful. And I'm pretty sure that we're about to enter the second quarter, or the end of the quarter. And so that's very nice because not only are we getting a new moon, but we're ending the quarter, starting a new quarter, and that's looking very, very bullish for AMC. Now, we have a conjunction with the sun and the moon right here. Very, 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 very nice little new moon. Now, it is making a square to both Uranus, and it is making a square to Mars, and that represents to me major volatility. Squares aren't always easy. It's a lot of friction, but with friction, you get traction. With traction, you get movement. So I am expecting a lot of movement on AMC coming into the week. But what I really like is what Mercury is doing. Okay, we got Mercury opposite Mercury at the beginning of the week. So that's going to be at play Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You guys know I love it when Mercury on AMC gets hit, especially for Mercury opposition. All right, that's very, very beautiful. This to me screams news. Mercury is in Gemini, which is the communicator, and that screams news for me. So I am expecting some big moves or some big news on AMC coming into the week. And it could be like a catalyst type news, something that's going to create some serious movement. So I'm looking forward to that. And we also have Venus that's making a nice little sextile to Uranus and a trine to that Mars. So even though we're getting a new moon, getting negative aspects to that Venus is making a very, very positive aspect to that Mars and Uranus. And then I look at the Jupiter, which is also making a very nice opposition to the Mars. Okay, that could be very, very expansive. I take a look at the Sun. The company reputation is lit. It's going to triumph for Mars. This is about fighting for what you believe in, fighting for the company, making things happen, taking strong action. And it's also getting a sextile from Saturn, building appropriately, making the power moves, making the right judgment calls. So I'm looking very, very much forward to this July for AMC, for the meme stops. I'm liking what this new moon is looking like. I'm liking what the moon phases is doing for Amy. I'm also liking what the moon phases is doing for the SPY. Gamestop looks like it's cooling down, but it's also looking strong. So guys, I think we are in good shape. I think we could really be close to that bottom in the overall market, or for the meme stocks, we're close to the end game. I can say that. All right, but you guys let me know what you think. You guys let me know if you think that we are going to be in it forever. If you guys think we're going to win. If you guys think we're going to get some uptrend on this next moon phase. I definitely do. I don't know about you guys, but I've been buying more shares. I have more shares at AMC than I ever thought I was going to have. Okay, all they've done is giving me more time. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this DD. I hope you guys are still hanging in there strong. I'm Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon and Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. You're watching Mark Moonlord, where we merge and mix with the stars. Don't forget to hit the like button on your way out. Subscribe if you're new. Until next time, peace.